Can you show me how to stand? This is a good video. I can see the many faces of Grace. I can see the many faces of Grace. Oh, there's a sad face. Look at that sad face of Grace. Oh, that's a sad, sad face. Where's the happy face? Where's the happy face of Grace? Do you have a happy face? Let me see the happy face. Where's the smile? Don't you smile.
Oh, she's going to smile.
Don't you do it.
She's going to smile.
Grace. Don't you smile. Who is that? Is that the prettiest little girl in the world? Yeah. You can smile. Can you show them how to stand up? Show them how to stand up and show them your pretty teeth. Can you show them how to stand up and show your... Go. Yeah. There's our pretty teeth. Look. Show them your legs. Say, looky there. That's how a big girl stands up. Yeah. Oh, and there's how a big girl walks. Good job. Yay. Awesome. That's Mommy's big girl. Good job. Oh, you want to do it again? Okay. See, we're walking. We're walking. Oh, my goodness. We are walking like a... Oh, my. Excellent, Grace. Mommy's running out of room. Ooh. Oh. My bad. I can run it on the stupid rug. Okay. Now do it again. I'm ready. There. You're pushing it yourself. Good. Good. That's awesome, honey. Awesome. Yeah, that's awesome. Move your legs. There. Awesome. Move them. There. That is my girl. You want to turn around? Okay.